Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crop videos or images using Filmora9. There are different ways you can crop a video, or an image with Filmora9. Here's what the ways that I often do when editing my video with Filmora9. Let's getting started now. First off, let's import an example footage and an image into Filmora Media Library. I will use this clip as an example. Firstly, select the clip, then click this crop tool here. Choose 16:9 screen resolution to make sure that the aspect ratio won't change when editing. Grab the edge of the screen box to resize and position the area you want to crop. Hit play button to see how it looks. Press OK to go back to the timeline. Let's preview it. That's how to crop a video with Filmora9. Let's drop an image to the timeline. The image has zoom in effect in my default settings. Click the crop tool icon again to change it. Select crop tab will eliminate the zoom in effect in this case. I will also select 16:9 aspect ratio for this image. Now I can move this crop box around to find where I want to crop. Preview what I did and click OK to go back to the timeline again. In order to remove crop effect, and other effect you applied to your clips and images, you can right-click on the clips and select Delete Effect. That's the basic steps to crop a video, or an image using Filmora9. And here are some other techniques you can play around with this crop tool. Firstly, I can go to the Effect tab. Scroll down to the bottom and select Utilities. This is another crop tool in this Effect tab. Let's drop it down to the clip and see what will happen. You can drop it directly on your clip, or put it on top of the track which has the same effect. Now I can double-click on the crop box to control the size of the crop area. These sliders are used to control the size and position of the crop area. Look at the preview window to see how it changes the clip size. Click OK to preview. As you can see, there are black areas in your video when you adjust the sliders. It's different from the previous crop tool, right? This is because of the auto zoom box is unchecked. To get the same effect, you can double-click on the crop box again, and check the box auto zoom. Now it's the same. You want to blur the edge of the clip, check the box blur edge next to auto zoom box. There are some other cool stuff in this Utilities Effect tab such as this border effect. This effect will create a white border around your video. It's adjustable so that you can put it on your videos, images or whatever you want to. To control the border, double-click on the video, select Video tab on the top menu and find Video Effect at the bottom of the pop-up window. Here you can change the color of the border. Adjust the direction of the color. Increase the size of the border. Edge blurriness as well as border opacity. This border effect can be applied to your image too. It's a cool effect when you want to show up your images in your video when teaching others about photography, or simply creating a beautiful slideshow for your kids. For example, I can move this image with border on top of the video clip to play as an overlay track. Let's see what it looks like. I can move the image to the right of the main character so that it won't cover his face. Then I can select a motion for this image to make it pop up on the screen nicely. Alright. That's how you can use Filmora9 crop tool creatively. I hope you like the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you want to learn more about Filmora9, click the end screen annotation to watch my Filmora9 complete tutorial for beginners. Links to all the gears and software I used are in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.